one of the interesting challenges people near retirement is that they go from a save, save, save mindset and that they're growing their money to either a preserve principal mindset or a spend principal mindset. So how do you get somebody to shift? How does somebody work through that?
Yeah, you know, it's really very easy. I'll do it in about 10 seconds. This all has to do with your definition of success. Let me explain what I mean by that. When you are younger and you're in the grow mindset, right? What is success? Well, what's my net worth? Am I a millionaire? Do I have $2 million? In other words, you begin to judge how well you're doing financially by that net worth, that figure.
You keep score.
Right. And you're hoping that it goes up. And the more it goes up, the richer you are and the more successful you are. When you have to change to a distribution mindset, preservation and distribution, your measure of success should change. It shouldn't be your net worth. It should be, what's my income? How much income can I absolutely rely on? The more income I can rely on for the rest of my life, the more successful I am. Why? Because the more free you are. If somebody said to you, here I have $5 million for you, or I'm going to give you the income that you need for the rest of your life, no matter what, you probably, in the preserve part of your life, would like that. It's like the golden goose. Because it doesn't matter how much money you have. It's how much money you can use.
Well, and it's frightening to think that you're cutting into your principal, because eventually you're out of it.
It could be zero.
Right.
Exactly. So, in other words, what we want to do is we want to reframe our measure of success from I'm a millionaire to I'm an income millionaire.
Interesting.
And that does it.
Now, is it okay for somebody, my husband and I will joke that we're going to die penniless. Let my kids make their own money. And is it okay for somebody to think about, I'll call it dying penniless, that they worked hard, they saved that money. Why shouldn't they really be able to at some point enjoy it in a different way?
Yeah, so I think there's a great book out, not a new book, called Die Broke. And that's basically what it's about. You know, leaving a legacy is a personal choice. It's a luxury. And if you think of it as a luxury, if it's a luxury you want, then go for it. There are many people who love that bumper sticker, I'm out spending my kids' inheritance, and others who really don't want to put their head on the pillow for the last time in their life, not knowing that they're leaving a specific legacy for the kids. So it's very, very much a personal choice. But what I am finding as an observer of financial behavior, honestly, is that people are more worried about becoming dependent on their kids. If they can stay independent all their life, never rely on the children for anything, it's secondary how much they leave them. And that's the new mindset. Maybe you want to call the boomer, you know, we're the me generation. So it's me. But the fact is that it is no shame in not leaving a legacy, right? And it is not old-fashioned to want to leave a legacy. It's up to you.
Yes, and you know, I joke, right? So I say things in extremes. So you know, I'm not really. It's not that I don't want to leave something for my children, but there's this interesting obligation that we have, and I firmly agree. I think that you're right in terms of what's most comfortable for you. But it is okay to enjoy some of what you've been. It's hard.
Very much so. On an aside, I personally and one of my best friends have children who are much wealthier than we are, but they still expect us to pick up the check. Parents.
Mom and Dad, totally.
Mom and Dad.
All right. Thanks, Adriane. If you like what you just saw, we have many more videos with Adriane Berg and with more experts at bottomlineinc.com. And do me a favor, do that social thing. Share it. Tell your friends, tell your family. Come to bottomlineinc.com.